I cannot believe 2024 is gone. Guys, we are in December. It is so surreal. We are in December. 2024 is gone. 2025 is approaching. If you haven't made plans as a business, you've not started thinking of strategies as a business, guys, you need to watch this video to the end. If you are new there and you like anything about money making, content creation, social media tips, then give me a thumbs up, click on that subscribe and watch this video to the end. So guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you my 5 strategies for 2025 as a business owner. So let's get right into the first thing you need to do as a business owner or content creator, whatever you're doing, even personally as an individual, is to review your Yes, people always underestimate the importance of reviewing plans. You need to review your previous plans. Let's take it this way. If you don't review your previous plans or your previous goals or your previous target, how will you know what you need to do? Or how will you know things you achieved, things you didn't achieve, and things you actually need to put in place? Reviewing your previous plans would do just that for you. Reviewing your plans will allow you to know what targets you met, what targets you didn't meet, what goal you achieved, what ones do you need to set new for your business and for yourself. Reviewing all these things will enable you understand things you need to do better and how to go about them. So guys, review those year's plans. Get your pen and paper, or if you have an app on your phone for things like that, get started. Start reviewing your previous plans so you can bring in the new. Which brings me to my number 2 is setting new and clear goals. I mentioned clear because they need to be feasible. When I mean feasible, realistic goals that are clear cut. So let's say you're a business owner and you're trying to grow your business online to a certain number of subscribers or to a certain number of followers. Give yourself a clear goals. Okay, in the next 4 months or in the first quarter of 2025, I want to have grown my online audience by maybe 500 new followers or 500 subscribers. Give yourself clear goals like that. When you give yourself clear goals, then it makes it easy for you to outline a strategy to accomplish it. Does that make sense? So guys, start listing out your clear goals. Give yourself targets. Make sure you make it time bound. Make sure it is feasible. That means it's achievable within that specific time that you allocate for that particular target goal. There's nothing like New Year resolutions. We need actions, okay? Making resolutions that you're not going to follow. I was telling a friend of mine that I don't know why people make resolutions and then there's no action plan. I don't believe in resolutions anymore. What I believe in currently is taking actions. Write down those plans. Make sure they are time bound. Make sure they are feasible. Make sure they are smart goals. And give yourself an action plan to achieve that as an individual and as a business. Now, let's talk about the number 3 thing you need to do for yourself and for your business. As a person or as a business, you have competitors that are above you at a certain level, doing a bit better than you. You need to analyze such competitors. Now, analyzing them does not mean you should copy them or copy what you're doing. Analyzing them simply enables you to understand what they are doing better that is making people probably patronize them instead of you. When you understand why your competitors are doing good or why people are going for your competitor instead of you, it enables you draft out a new action plan to do something better in order to make your own services more attractive to your target audience. Okay, if your competitor is doing something in a particular way, look for a way to improve it into a better version and then try to see if you can incorporate that into your business. That is how to do competitor analysis. What are your competitors doing? How are they achieving certain milestones? Look at it carefully. How are they attracting their target audience? And see if you can make such things better and then incorporate it into your business. This is very important going into 2025. The market trends are changing. Everything is changing. So you need to step up and get ahead of the game. Now, number 4, after you've carried out your competitor analysis, you have your goal set, the time frame and everything that you want to achieve, you need to come up with a strategy to achieve those goals that you set out for yourself. Now, there are different ways to go about this. It depends on what those particular goals are or what those targets are, that is what will enable you create strategy. Create a strategy. So when you're creating a strategy, it simply means you are giving yourself, you're mapping out an action plan to follow in order to achieve those plans. And I always advise having a planner, whether it's a calendar, an Excel, a platform like Trello, like Notion. Have something that you're going to outline this action plan that you want to follow to achieve those goals and targets that you set for yourself. Make sure they are time bound. You give yourself time frame, not to put too much pressure on yourself, but just so you're able to track your progress. And lastly, guys, AI is here to stay. Leverage on the use of AI. Leverage AI. Canva has AI. Almost all platforms have AI. There are AIs that are here to make your life better. They're not here to replace your creativity. You just need to leverage on them to improve and grow, to make yourself and your business more productive. We are AI that can help you with your copywriting, help you with your emails, help you with generating pictures, generating videos, generating ads, generating a lot of things, generating tips for you, market trends, market analysis, a lot of AI. And in order not to waste your time and to save you the energy of looking for them, I already made a list of such AIs in the description. Go to the description, check them out, and see how you can leverage them to improve yourself and improve your business. So guys, I hope this has been helpful. If you found this helpful, give me a subscription and a thumbs up. And then 2025 is coming. If you want me to do any tutorial on content creation, social media tips, or business, especially remote businesses, let me know in the comment section so I can start planning ahead for 2025. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you on my next video. Happy holidays, guys. Bye.